How's it going today, guys? This is Strixie Rides, and as you can see, if you can see, you should be able to, I can't tell, I have new handlebars, because if anybody who was here for the last video saw, my handlebars are bent. But also, I have more stuff too, as well, like new brackets for it. We either have black or the red anodized with the, I want to say gold anodized, but obviously not real gold. I can't afford that. But what I'm doing here today is I figured I should actually put some parts on the bike for you guys, because if I don't, you guys probably think I'm not actually doing anything for the bike, or like I'm not preparing to do this bike and turn it into a supermoto for you guys so that we can start getting on the streets, you know. So that's what I'm out here to do for you guys today. We're gonna put on the new handlebars, and by the way, this stand is not very safe at all. I should probably move it a little bit. It leans to the right hand side. Like, even if it's just straight up and down, it's just a little off to the side. It feels pretty sturdy, but I don't like it. It still worries me, you know. Let's flip that on there. But we are going to install these handlebars today. These are 7/8, so they're not the fat handlebars, meaning that's why I have these. Because these are 7/8, and that's what I've been needing. Well, I mean, first we gotta take everything off the handlebars, so. Oh man, that's gonna be a pain. Ooh. Yeah, no guys, I just wanna start doing something to the bike and show you. I wanted you guys to be here, and I was waiting for my plastics to come in because I ordered a new plastic kit and graphics for it. And I was gonna wait till those got here, but like I said, it's been a while since I've done anything, so I really wanna. Woo! Shit. Loose screw. I got a few of those in my head. Where did that go? It's gone. Oh shit, it's actually gone. Oh, I see it. Whew. Okay. Sorry if my camera angles are bad today, but I am using a chest mount. Maybe I should just like put up my camera somewhere, but you know, that wouldn't be as fun, as it wouldn't be as close up. Take out a few of these zip ties as well to do that. It's not a pain at all or anything, you know. Luckily, they are amazing and have zip ties that just easily pop right off. Whoops. But yeah, if any of you guys have a 2019 Honda, everything on these bikes are just incredibly easy to work on, I feel like. Obviously, I'm no professional mechanic, but it's not bad. It's really simple and easy. That's probably an 8mm. Where is my 8mm? Right there. Alright. I also got an early Christmas present, I should let you guys know. A few of my packages came in for my bike, and my mom was like, well, I see how happy you are and excited you already get your bike parts, so I might as well give you what I got you for Christmas for your bike before you go and buy one for it. I'm like, okay. Yeah, this handle, or this lever, for those of you who might not know, is bent, and I had to replace it, even though I literally just replaced it, but my bike fell over, and I had to get a new one, but my mom ordered me one for Christmas and gave it to me early, because she knew I'd probably buy one. I hate those banana levers that people actually use on their bikes. Like, I'm sorry guys, but they're not nice. They don't look good. I absolutely despise them. And yes, I know I'll have to take this off altogether anyways, but we'll do that in just a second. We'll let everything hang for now. Now we gotta take this off, which is the switch for the lights. That light is insanely bright, guys. I am super excited. We got the shorty clutch lever, you know, the stunt clutch. This is gonna be super helpful when we are finally practicing our wheelies, because this is what I'm gonna be wanting to need. I just want to use 2 fingers for my clutch, okay? As simple as that. It's gonna help me for stunting, which by stunting I just mean doing wheelies, because I fucking love doing wheelies. I am not good at them yet, okay? So don't judge me, but when you first see my wheelies, they're not gonna be great, okay? Okay, too caught up talking to you guys, I should just ignore you and work on my bike, you know? Just don't worry about you guys. No, I'm kidding. It's one of the reasons I'm out here working on my bike, you know? It's for you guys. But also because I really want to work on my bike. She's always alone in the garage all the time, so you gotta come out and talk to her every once in a while. Maybe twist her throttle a little bit. Make her scream. You know what? I might be getting a little too off topic. I don't know. I don't know if you guys want to know that about me, but I come out here and make my girl scream. Good girl. Also, I think if you guys are curious about this bike over here next to me, it is a 2007, I believe, Yamaha R6. This is my younger sister's boyfriend's bike, and he wrecked it not too long ago. Ended up in the hospital pretty bad. It was a pretty bad wreck. Hit a fence post and shattered his knee. It's not really my information to be telling, but I don't think he cares either. We're pretty close. Not gonna stay together. Time for the light. I should probably I'm gonna take off the front plastic as well, because that's going to be in the way a little bit. Yeah, so I took all the plastics off not too long ago, and I did like a full clean of my plastics, soapy water and a bucket, and just completely cleaned all my plastics off. And then while the bike was stripped down, I walked my bike all the way through town, completely stripped down of its plastics, so it was just a skeleton bike, and took it to the car wash. And I walked 2 blocks with my bike because, you know, obviously I can't ride it there yet. Which is really annoying, by the way. Really wish I could just ride it down there. It's not even on like a main road either. I could have just rode it the back roads to get down to the car wash, but I've had some incidents already when it came to riding and cops and whatnot, and I don't want to get in trouble again, so I'm doing things the right way. Yeah, by the way, guys, never run from a cop. That'll be a story for another video, though. Maybe it'll be my first story that I tell when we're out on the streets, okay? You'll hear about that later. Oh, let me take this off now. The brake lever. Yeah, so look at this, guys. Oh my god, I tightened that down so much that just that 1/4 piece of, or that 1/4 piece of the bracket is just holding the whole thing on there. Like, it's actually tight. Okay, come up. Oh. These bolts are also bent, by the way. I believe. Let me see. No, they're not really bent. But yeah, just 1/4 of the bracket. Just 1/4 of the bracket holding it on there. Oh, never mind. It's loose now. Okay. Let's put this other one, take this other one off. This one's actually cracked on the bottom. Kind of weird. One cracked on the bottom, one cracked on the top, but it worked. And it's in a really nice spot and position, but now I have new handlebars, and I don't even know if it's going to be right. Like, whether this is going to fit on right. Because I obviously spread these things apart pretty damn well. Oh man, I swear, if I put this handlebar on here and it's, or this headlight back on here and it's not lined up properly, I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Because look at that. Look at that. That's bad. Just completely broke. For a living. I wanted to be a PC YouTuber. PC builder. I mean, I tried to start that business up, but it did not go well. Yeah, let me tell you about that actually. I posted an ad on Facebook Marketplace, as a lot of people do, for helping fix any BC problems anybody has and whatnot like that. And I had a few people message me like, hey yo, I wanna have a PC built, but I don't have a lot of money. And I'm like, okay, well the cheapest I can build a PC for is $500, and I'd have to have $100 in payment for doing it for you, like for building it and everything. Turns out most of those people that asked for my help trying to find a cheap PC that they could have built for them, I built out their whole PC. I obviously didn't build it, but I built it out and built it on Amazon so that they could check it out, see if it was all right. And most of them were like, yeah, that's good, that's cool, it looks like it'll run and whatnot. And I'm like, all right, like they said it would do the job for them. Turns out they didn't want to have me pay, or they didn't want to pay to have me build it for them. They just wanted to go and buy the parts themselves and have it built and whatnot, which, don't get me wrong, I respect it, because like I would honestly build my own PC. But the whole point of me posting this ad on Facebook is I'm trying to build PCs for people that have no idea how to build a PC, let alone work their way around the internals of a PC. So I was just like, okay, I'll yeah, they just messaged me about it, left me on red after I sent them their builds, and were like, fuck you. And I'm like, okay. And that was like 6 or 7 different people. And then I had people just messaging me about their PC problems, and then I helped them and whatnot, and then they just left. They're like, okay, cool, thank you, I appreciate it, and took off. And it's like, you know what? It's a waste of my time. I got big things I want to do. Oh, we don't even have any air in it. What? Well, gosh dang it. We might have to try to take this off the old way. Pure force. It's never the best way to do this. Let's take our little donut off there. Oh, okay, this is not gonna go well. Let me get some WD-40. WD-40. And by the way, guys, I have used WD-40 for putting on a lot of grips and handlebars. So if any of you are like, no, that's not a good idea, don't use that. It's like, I've been using this since I've been riding bikes and taking them apart for my grips. So I'm gonna do as I feel fit works. Oh, there we go. Yeah, easy peasy. Now she's just a little lubed up. That's fine. By the way, this hoodie, camo hoodie, I wish I could turn my camera around right now, but I can't. It's a ride clutch hoodie, and it is probably the best hoodie I have ever worn in my life. I swear to God. It is my absolutely favorite hoodie. I've taken care of this hoodie over the 80 other hoodies I've owned. The other ones I just take to work and get caulk all over them from shit. Bolts under there. We gotta find something to fit on those. Wall of wrenches. 17 18 millimeter. That's 18. We can't use an 18. I am not stripping out a giant ass nut today, okay? What the fuck? There's no 17 millimeter? What do you think a 17 millimeter would be in standard? Or the closest thing to it? Definitely not fucking 3/4 inches. My dumb ass. Probably more like a 9/16 maybe? I mean, don't get me wrong, I know they're not the same at all whatsoever. Standard and millimeter, they're always slightly off. They're always slightly off from each other, but man, there's no 17 millimeter wrench in here. Oh, fuck. Oh. Damn, that bitch is on there. Yeah, this is not going to be easy, guys. I'm not tightening that, am I? Oh my god, I was tightening it, dude. I was 100% tightening it. Holy crap. Why am I such an idiot? Ooh, baby. Come off of there. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice and easy. Ah! Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Just came flying off of there, dude. Dude? What are you doing, dude? No, no, don't touch me there. That is my no-no square. We had to go this way, so I assume that I'm going to have to continue going this way. Yes, sir. That's it. It came off super easy because I went the right way this time. I wonder if these are just going to come out real easy or... No, I got to bang them out. Well, at least I thought. Damn. That's not coming off of there. Hold up, let me sit on this bit. Woo. I don't like sitting on this bike with a stand like this. That's coming out, I think. Yeah, they're coming out. Not very efficiently. Come on. There we go. There we go, guys. Oh, am I going to have to take those out? Is this going to fit right here? I think. Let's see if this will fit. So the only problem with this one, guys, is that they have the bolt in here, the bolt head down in here, and it makes it really difficult to push it through anything since it just comes out and up. So I might have to find something to push that down. Ooh, I have actually a better idea. If I just take this screwdriver and I take one of these guys that goes at the end of the screwdriver, 10 millimeter might be a little big. No, 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, just fit that on there. And she's in. Okay. And we're gonna wait to put the handlebars on, to put that bolt on there, just so that we can make sure it's straight and lined up like how it's supposed to be. All right. Oh. Just want to make sure they're all the way down. put this stuff back. I usually put most of my tools back while I'm working and I'm using my tools, but today's different, guys. I wish I had a headband mount for my GoPro instead. That probably would have been a lot smarter and a lot better for you guys. But also, I don't want you guys looking at my forehead. And I think you could see my forehead or my nose and shit. And sometimes it's just not a pretty perspective, you know? Depending on who the cameraman is. Me. That would be me. So, yeah, I don't think that would be a pretty perspective for you guys. Unless you want to see my... I mean, if you go to my gaming channel, you can see my whole face in my new video I'm uploading today. It's, if anybody's played Poppy Playtime. I'm currently uploading a video for that right now, but I also did already put one episode of it up. So if you guys like scary games or like watching people get scared, I'll be honest, I didn't get scared that much in the game because I saw most of it coming. I won't lie. I need a little bit darker games, you know, to put a scare into me. A little bit more jump scary, something I maybe haven't watched on YouTube already because, well, I like watching YouTube a lot, so nothing new there. Oh. Gotta get this tight enough just to... Oh shoot. Yeah.
I didn't know you were out here.
I got my wrench stuck. Oh shoot, my battery's at 2%. Holy crap. Alright guys. Well, with the last 2% battery I have before I have to go get another one. This is actually a continuation of the video I was doing my handlebars with. I actually finished my handlebars. Came out pretty nice, pretty clean actually. But these came in today. So this is just going to be added on to what you are currently seeing is what it's going to be added on to, obviously, because that's what you're watching it on. But I got my plastics today. All blacked out plastics, and we are going to throw those on the bike real quick for you guys. Since you already saw me put on the handlebars. Acer 3 IS, I don't know. Ooh, black plastic. Oh no, that's distorted. Here is both of the side fairings, which these are what I'm most excited about, because if you don't remember early in the video, I was showing off that this is bent. This is... Actually, I don't know if I showed that in this video. I don't think so. But this whole piece right here is just bent. It was the previous owner's doing. I don't know how it happened. Must have been a crash or just a slight drop of the bike and it bent the fairing. I'd have no idea, but otherwise that's the only damage on this bike, luckily. I don't care where that goes at this point. It can fall over. By the way, I am in my Papa Bear slippers as per usual when we work on the bike. With that being said, we are going to get to doing all that. Let me just open this first one. But we're going to speed up through this process, and I hope you guys enjoy. And by the end of the video, I will talk to you just a little bit more. And yeah, let's get to doing this. Oh my gosh, guys. Guess what? We are pretty much done here. But we are going to do the final thing, which is going to be putting on the seat. Don't forget, guys, this bike is nowhere near finished. I just want to say that. As excited as I am for how it is even right now, the bike's not finished, guys. I promise you that. It is far from done. we're gonna get the seat on here and then take a step back and look at her, see how far she's come from where she was. Alright guys, we finished putting on the seat. This is what the finished product looks like. I wouldn't necessarily say product because this is mine, okay? This ain't going nowhere. But it looks really clean with all the black plastics on there. I'm actually really loving it, even though the black plastics are not gonna be like the main look of the bike, because there is gonna be a graphics kit. It's gonna be a military green graphics kit with a little bit of like bronze goldish for the lettering, for the writing on the decal, or the graphics kit, sorry. But yeah, we are getting pretty far with progress on this bike. This is the handlebars. We finished the handlebars up. They look pretty good. This might need to be bent just a little bit to make it a little bit straighter, because I don't think it's on there very straight. But finished up the handlebars. I really love the stunt clutch on there. It looks really, really good. And then I think I do really like the red handlebar mounts, because I was really debating on the black ones because of all the anodized red parts we already have pretty much everywhere. But I do think that the anodized red everywhere is something that I want to keep going and keep doing. So we are going to do more of that probably. I know there's a few other things I can get, like I can get these guys here in red anodized, this here in red anodized. I don't know exactly what those parts are called, so I'll have to find out. But yeah, it's really coming together. This bike, I probably said it earlier in the video, has a lot more that needs to be done to it, obviously, because like I said, it's going to be a supermoto. So let me say a few things that this bike needs, be more specific about it than I have been in the previous parts of the video, because I was obviously working on the bike, so I wasn't very clear on what we were going to do or what the rest of the bike needs. Of course, the bike needs the Supermoto tires, which we have to get eventually. We are going to have to shave these down and cut these so that the front wheel will fit. I think we are going to have to do something to make the rear wheel fit. I don't know exactly what we're going to have to do for that, but we got to get the graphics kit on, which is on its way. So we'll have that soon, and we'll do a video on that. We also got to get the seat cover, because I'm obviously not leaving the seat red on here. The seat is going to be black with tan patches. There's going to be like a tan patch up here and one back here. I'll put the names of all the products that I've put on this bike so far down in the description if you guys want to go check that out and see what I've been putting on my bike. As of right now anyways, this is all I have on my bike is the red anodized parts, shift lever, brake lever, pegs. But we also have to get a kickstand as well soon, which we are going to do just a black kickstand. But I'm obviously going to want a kickstand so that when we go out places I can just park the bike, you know, make it really simple and easy. We also have to get, there was something else for the handlebars. Oh yeah, we have to get an ignition that we can connect to the on switch, because I want to put a key somewhere on this bike so that I do not have to worry about it when I'm out and about and going places, or maybe going out to eat or to dinner and I ride the bike. I want to be able to shut it off and nobody can just hop on and take it, because if you don't know, the 2019 is a completely electric start bike, so I should be able to throw something in between the start button to stop that from happening, from somebody just stealing my bike. As far as the handlebars go, we have everything I think we're going to need for the handlebars. I showed you guys earlier in the video, but we have the tail light that we just have to wire up, so we have to get that on the bottom of this soon. I don't know if we're going to use this license plate mount. I kind of want to use something else, but we might have to. I just really do not want my license plate sticking out, you know, kind of like how a lot of people do it. They have the license plate sticking out down this way. I was debating on it, and I think I might still do it. I'll just have to look into it some more. But I hope you guys so far have enjoyed the content or the bike build. Like I said, there is more to come. This bike is definitely nowhere near complete or finished. We still have to get the frame powder coated matte black because that's something we're going to be doing. And once we finish the bike completely as well, we are going to get new front forks because these ones look a little torn and a little beat up if you can't see. So yeah, we're going to get new front forks at some point. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying the content and you want to come back for more, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like if you enjoyed and you want to see more of it. But as always, this is Strixie Rides. Peace out.